welcome to Marina's kitchen. Today I'm not cooking for you. I'm going to tell you a bit of story about myself. The only thing is that a lot of people have asked me why I don't stop and start the camera, why sometimes I show the finished product and I don't show it all, why I can't do different things all the time. And I'm just going to let you know that my grandchildren taught me how to do the viewing and the filming, and then I learned from there. But I don't want to stop and start the camera because it's too hard for me to upload. I'm 87 years old and I'll be 88 at Christmas time. So what I do, I'm happy to what I do. I hope that you will be happy to what I do for you. First of all, I was very, very happy. While I was in Italy, I went to a wedding and I had these beautiful eggplant and spaghetti rolls, and they were lovely. They were served as a first entree with some nice grated ricotta. And when I came home, I did them for my family, and they loved them. And so all my family said, "Grandma, Mum, why don't you write down your recipes, because we'd love to have them." With my Italian heritage, there are different recipes that they would love to have and love to keep. So what I did was, I said, okay. But then my grandson James and my granddaughter Jessica said, "Grandma, we will film you and we'll do them for you and show you how to do." So that's what started me off on all my viewing of doing my videos. But then when they were studying, I said, I can't get them to come every time I need them to do a film for me, a video for me. So what I did was I went out and I said I got my camera, my tripod, my lights, and I did it all my own. I uploaded myself. James taught me how to upload it, and that's why I don't stop and start, or I don't have a lot of stuff, because I do the cooking in my own kitchen on my own bench, and I do the best way I can to show you the finished product. Anyhow, I entered these, Legos were having a competition. I entered this competition by writing a recipe, and I wrote the recipe of the eggplant and spaghetti rolls. And I was one in 25 people in Queensland that won a page written in their Legos. It's called Italian Recipe from the Heart. Legos put it out, and this is my page that they wrote my recipe there. A loving recipe by Marina. And this is my spaghetti, my eggplant and spaghetti rolls. And I won that, and they gave me this book, and Legos had this at the Coles supermarket. It was running a competition. And then they gave me a certificate, congratulations that I was one of the winners. And that was lovely to have something like that. And look, there's something really nice about all this video, that when my great-granddaughter was 8, I did a video with her, and it's so precious to have that. Then she was 11, I did another one with her, Cooking with Bella. Then I did another one at 13, and she's there. And then I did another one when she was 14. I taught her how to make those handmade macaronis, and she did a beautiful job. Now she's 17, my great-granddaughter, my eldest great-granddaughter, 17, Isabella, and I want her to do another one, a video with me. Anyhow, look, I said that, have done a video, and look, I have enjoyed cooking for you. I just wanted to put this out to you, just to tell you how I started doing my videos and why I don't stop and start. I just have the minimum of appliances. I just have my little hand mixer, my food processor. I don't need a lot of gadgets, and I do it here. I try to show it to you the best way possible. I try to do your sweet dish or a dinner. I like to change it around, and you just give me a feedback. If you want to know anything else, just let me know. I am happy to answer your questions. I just wanted to tell you, because a lot of people were saying, you know, why don't I stop and start and show you the finished product sometimes. I double it up sometimes to show you the finished product, but that's okay, because my family use up whatever I'm cooking, so it gets all used up anyway. So look, this is what I just wanted to tell you all about how I started doing videos. I've got over 300 recipes on there, and I'm very proud of myself at this age to be doing that. And I did my voluntary work at Prince Charles Hospital for 10 years. I lost my husband 14 years ago, and it's given me a bit of time that I'm alone and I can do all these things for my family. I cook a lot for my grandchildren, my great-grandchildren, and I have a big deep freeze. That's the best part that I have. I have a big chest deep freeze box, and I can put a lot of stuff in there, which I do. A big saucepan of minestrone. I do a big saucepan of lentils with rice. Put them in containers and put them in the deep freeze, and when the kids come over they can just take what they want. Like yesterday, I want to get together with my family. We're 20 when we get all together, and yesterday I made all my lasagnas. I make my own lasagna sheet, and I made 4 beautiful dishes of lasagna. I put it in the deep freeze, and then I've got it ready made when they come over. And they love my lasagna. It's so beautiful, and because I do my own pasta, and that pasta comes so fresh, it's just a little bit more better than the bought one. But until I can do it, I'm doing it. And thank you for watching my videos, and I hope to be cooking for you for quite a long time. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.